Hello, and welcome to the Kessler Trauma Center's presentation of Smartphone Emergency Medical ID for the Apple iPhone. If you have an Android-based device, please close this video and go to our instructional video for Android-based phones. Smartphones are everywhere, and the vast majority of adults and many children in the United States have a smartphone that they use every day. Most smartphones now come equipped with a means for individuals to enter medical information about themselves that can be accessed in an emergency without allowing access to any other information on the phone. But according to this study in Surgery Open Science, published in 2020, only about 1/3 of people who have a smartphone report that they utilize this feature. Access to medical history and emergency contacts can be life-saving, and using the Emergency Medical ID feature on your smartphone can help medical professionals treat you properly if you come to the emergency department and are unconscious or otherwise unable to speak for yourself. The process to set this up on your iPhone is easy. Let's get started. First, open the Health app on your phone and then tap your profile picture. You can find that in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Next, tap Medical ID and then tap Edit, also in the upper right-hand corner. Now select the Show When Locked option. This is the option that allows medical personnel to see your information. If you choose, you can also select the Share During Emergency Call option, which will automatically share your medical information with emergency responders if you make a 911 call or send a text to emergency services. Now, enter the medical information you would like to share in the event of an emergency. Things like the medications you are taking, any allergies you may have, and your blood type, as well as medical conditions, are all very important. When you have finished entering that information, simply tap Done and you are all set. You can also find instructions for activating the Emergency Medical ID feature of your iPhone on the support page of the Apple website. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this important video and for utilizing the Emergency Medical ID feature on your Apple iPhone. Please feel free to contact us if you need any further information, and make sure to follow the Kessler Trauma Center on all our social media platforms.